Hi Dresser Cuties, Wendy here. Today we're going to draw a Christmas snow globe. So let's get started. To draw this cute snow globe, let's first start by drawing Santa. So we're going to come right here and draw a small circle for his eyes. We don't have much room, so everything's going to be kind of small and simple. And then we're going to come right here with another circle for a highlight and shade everything else in. Then I'm going to come right across, say about this wide, and draw another circle. And same thing with a highlight and shade it all in. There. And then let's come in between the eyes and we're going to draw a round oval, big round oval for the nose. And connect. And then let's come above each eye and we're going to draw a brow. So right over the eye, I'm just going to draw a curve and thicken it up. Same thing over here. There. And then from there, we're going to connect this right here in between the brow. We're just going to connect it with a curve. From there, let's go ahead and extend this curve out to about right here, and same thing here. And then we're going to stop and bring a curve back to the nose about right here. So let's come down with a curve and bring it over. And same thing here. And bring it up. There. And then let's give Santa a sweet little smile right here. So we're just going to draw a little curve right underneath. Then let's extend this curve out again. So this is just the top of the hat, the rim right there. And then we're going to go up, thicken it up, and connect for a Santa hat. Then let's see here. Let's go up. Since we're up here, let's go up. Not too high, just a short little hat. And we're going to bring this up and then bring it down. And then let's come back about right here and draw the other side. And then we're going to draw the tail of our hat, connect it, and then put in a little circle. There. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's go ahead and draw Santa's beard. So we're going to come back into the space that we have and curve it out on both sides. And we're going to bring his beard nice and low down towards the center. Say about right here. And connect. There. Then from there, let's draw his body. So we're simplifying this. So let's come right here. We're just going to bring a curve down. And here. Nice chubby Santa. And then about right here, we can go ahead and connect. All the way across. There. And then let's see here, let's come out right here and poof this part out for the trim on his jacket. Go all the way across. I don't know, there's the center. Maybe I'll put a little, break it up and come across. There. And then let's come back into the center right here. And we're going to draw this square or rectangle for the buckle. And then we're just going to go ahead and put in a belt right across. And connect. There. And then we have to draw a line straight down. And I believe there's a white part here, right? I almost forgot. So actually there shouldn't be a line right here if I'm correct. So let me get my whiteout pen. That probably doesn't work anymore, but I need to get a new one. But I totally forgot this part should not have a line so that the jacket, the white part in the jacket continues through. Okay, so there, it actually worked a little bit. Okay, so then from there, let's go ahead. We're just gonna draw these very simple little feet. So it's just like a stump. We're going to come right here and here and connect and just draw a little bottom part and then another trim. So same thing here. Because what's important is the snow globe, right? So let's come here, same thing, little trim for the feet. And then for the hands, let's come to the sides right here on this hand. I'm just going to have it come down So about right here, cut it off for the white trim area and then put it in a little hand. And on this side, that'd be really cute for our Santa to say hi. So we're gonna come up about right there, come across and down. Then a little trim, and then a little glove, so a little thumb, and connect. Aww, so cute, right? Okay, so then now that we have Santa in, let's see here. We have the main part in, now we have to draw the globe. So I'm going to, and I know I want to put a tree behind Santa, so I'm going to say about right here. Let's just find his feet and say about right here. I want to give myself enough space to come around. So I am going to go ahead and draw a big circle over Santa's head. So if you're at home and you have something nice and big you can use as a template for your circle, definitely use it. I'm just gonna try to wing it here and go up towards the center. Here we go. Let me look at my camera. And sorry if it's gonna be kind of wobbly and sketchy, but I need to keep making sure. Down, so nice big circle. I just want to make sure I have enough room on that side. So this side doesn't really matter as much. So here we go. Okay, oops. And we're gonna bring it down. There, kind of, right? That's not too bad. So we just want this big curve over Santa. And so now that we're about the same level, right? Let's bring this in a little bit more. About the same level, we're gonna go ahead and right underneath Santa's feet, let's bring it down. We're just gonna go ahead and cut it off with a shallow curve. So this is gonna be the base of our snow globe that we're drawing here. Make this part a little bit rounder. Now looking at my camera. Okay, so now Santa's inside, right? That's so cute. And then let's come out about right here. And here, kind of like our center. And then I'm going to draw the base for our snow globe. So just a slight curve. A slight curve. And now that we're pretty even, once again, I'm just going to go ahead and connect it all the way. And then come out right here for a little trim. Just for a little detail to make it more complete. And connect. There. Okay, so then now let's go ahead and decorate it more. So let's put a tree behind Santa. And so say about right here, I'm going to go ahead. This is going to be the point of our tree. So I'm going to come down. The first layer. Just a very simple tree. Come down. Oh no. Okay, it's okay. We have space. And then let's see here. We have to connect that one. Let's connect it all then. So our center is about right here where that tree would be. So our trunk. About right here is our center, so I just want to make sure my trunk is centered. Okay, so right here and here is our trunk. And then we can add some snow behind. And let's bring it out about right here. And of course, let's put some snow where Santa's standing. And the tree as well, just to give our snow some texture. And then of course, let's put a little star right here on our tree. Nice and shiny. And then you can put in some ornaments too, of course. So I'm going to put in some circles. however you want to decorate your tree. This way we can add some color to the drawing as well. And that is pretty much it. So when you're coloring, just make it blue and add some snow coming down. And let's add a heart right here in the center to decorate our base. So here and here, nice big heart. And then some holly leaves, just to make it extra Christmassy. There, and that is pretty much it for my Christmas snow globe for 2022. I really hope you love how this turned out and that I helped you draw it fun and easy today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.